So here's the real truth about being a freelance designer in 2026. You can have incredible taste. You can be amazing at branding, layouts, typography, visual systems. But if you can't turn those ideas into real functioning websites quickly, you're going to struggle to land and retain really big clients. And honestly, that's exactly where I was not too long ago. I had creative skills, I had the vision, but when it came to building websites, it felt like a completely different language. Today, I want to take this video as an opportunity to show you the platform that genuinely changed my workflow. Of course, we're talking about none other than Wix Studio. This is a very detailed video where I'll show you the real problems freelance designers face in 2026, first impressions and core editor experience of Wix, templates and starting points. It has Figma to website workflow, AI tools inside Wix Studio that actually saves you a lot of time, SEO and marketing, and a lot more, and also like a bonus one at the end. I'll also compare it with Duda so you can clearly understand why I made the switch and which platform might make much more sense for you. So let's get into it. Let's talk honestly for a second. If you're building a freelance or agency career in 2026, you need three things: a strong portfolio, happy returning clients, of course, and a workflow that doesn't burn you out. The problem is most website builders force you to compromise. You either get creative freedom, but everything else takes forever, or speed, but every site looks like a template and too generic and like a copy of something else. I tried multiple platforms over the years. Some were too rigid, some required coding knowledge, which I of course did not have. I was a graphic designer. Others looked fine initially, but it completely fell apart once a client asked for something custom. And for someone without a hardcore development background, this was frustrating. I did not want to become a full-time developer. I wanted to stay as a core designer and still deliver professional website work. That's when I started using Wix Studio. Okay guys, quick disclosure, Wix is sponsoring this video. Thanks a lot Wix for that. But I want to be very clear, I was already using it before any collaboration because it actually solved a real problem in my own journey and in my own workflow. So let me break it down. Why Wix Studio works so well, especially compared to Duda, which is an alternative. And if you're a freelance designer, agency owner, or even a design student in 2026, you must watch this video. The very first time I opened Wix Studio, one thing stood out immediately. It felt it was built for designers and not developers. The interface made sense, the controls were visual, and most importantly, it did not feel intimidating. Now yes, both Wix Studio and Duda offer a drag and drop editors, but Wix Studio's editor is responsive by default, and that's actually huge. For those who know I'm talking about, actually know this. Instead of designing separate versions for desktop, tablet, mobile, I designed once and the layout intelligently adapts. You still have full control over the breakpoints, but you're still not rebuilding the same site 3 times, and that repetition is just useless. This actually alone saves me hours on each project. Okay, let's talk templates because starting speed matters in a real client work. Wix Studio offers 375 plus fully customizable templates. That does not obviously mean that your site looks cookie clutter. It means you are not starting from a blank canvas every single time. Starting from templates really push you and help you think creatively, think of new ideas. What I do is I usually pick up a template that's structurally close to what I want and then completely redesign the visuals, spacing, typography, interactions, everything. But the core base, that template really helped me take it forward. And talking about the alternative Duda, on the other hand, it offers around 57 templates, which is really less. Templates are clean, usable, but the limited variety means that you'll often spend more time reworking layouts to make them feel unique and not a ripoff. In 2026, speed without sacrificing originality is a massive advantage, and Wix Studio simply gives you more flexibility here. Let's talk about Figma to website workflow. This part is actually a big one for designers. If you use Figma, and let's be honest, most designers nowadays do, Wix Studio has a native Figma plugin. You can take your Figma design file and turn them into a functioning website with a single click. And that completely changed how I work. Now I design freely in Figma without worrying about technical constraints. Then bring everything into Wix Studio and refine interactions and responsiveness on the go. Duda doesn't offer Figma integrations, which means rebuilding designers manually inside the builder. For designers, that's a big workflow gap. Let's talk about AI tools that actually save time when you are designing your own website. AI is everywhere in 2026, but not all AI is actually useful. What I like about Wix Studio is that the AI tools are embedded into the workflow and not just added as a gimmick. Here's what stands out: responsive AI that adjusts layout across breakpoints, AI text generation for placeholders, landing pages or quick drafts, AI image generation for concepts and early stage visuals, and AI code assistant for custom functionality. That's a lot of AI. Even if you don't code, the AI helps you write, debug, and tweak snippets without endless Googling. Duda does have AI tools mainly for copy and SEO metadata, which is helpful but really limited. And Wix Studio's AI support design, layout, content, and functionality together, which makes a really big difference when using it in real life. Talking about components, scalability, and agency work. So if you're freelancing or running an agency, scalability actually matters. Wix Studio allows you to create reusable components, navigation systems, footers, call to action sections, design blocks. You actually build them once and then you can reuse them across all your projects. It's like assets. You have to just build them once and then you can reapply it as and when you want. And Duda offers custom sections too, but Wix Studio's component systems feel more flexible and deeply integrated. This really matters when you are handling multiple clients at the same time, when you have multiple projects together and you have to deliver them all on time. Talking about SEO and marketing and what clients actually really care about. Okay, so let's talk about something that clients really care about and ask me all the time. Hey Nick, will this website actually get traffic? Can I rank this on Google? Can this site help me get leads? This is where a lot of designers actually get stuck because design alone isn't enough anymore. What I like about Wix Studio is that the SEO and the marketing aren't afterthoughts. They are built into the platform. You get advanced SEO settings, full control over meta titles, descriptions, and URLs, which is huge. Automatic sitemap generation, schema markup support, strong performance, and optimizations. Wix Studio also has an SEO setup checklist, which is incredibly useful, especially if you're working with clients who care about rankings but don't understand the technical side. And honestly, that's almost all of the clients. And on top of that, you get built-in marketing tools like email marketing, forms and lead capture, automations, analytics, and performance tracking. So instead of telling clients, I'll design the site, then figure out the marketing later, you can now confidently say, of course, with using Wix Studio, that this site is built to grow with your business. So you don't need to worry about marketing. Duda does have a solid SEO basics, but Wix Studio goes really deeper into this, especially when it comes to combining design, SEO, and marketing all in one workflow. One of the biggest pain points for freelancers is client handoff. Clients want control, but you don't want them to break your design. Wix Studio's content mode solves this perfectly. So clients can update text, they can update images without touching any of the layout, any of the spacing or the structure which you spend so much time creating. They literally cannot break the design. This reduces support requests, revisions, and late night messages, which is insanely good. Duda also offers similar permission controls, which are great for large teams, but Wix Studio teams is more intuitive for solo freelancers and small agencies like you watching this video or me running a small agency. Okay, now here's something most people don't talk about enough. Wix Studio isn't just for freelancers or small studios. It's actually also built for enterprise level and large scale projects. Let's say you're working with fast growing startups, funded companies, large scale brands, multiple stakeholders or internal teams. Wix Studio can handle all of that. You get advanced role and permission management, team collaboration tools, scalable and CMS structures, multi-site management, strong performance and security standards. I mean, that's really a lot, which also means that you can start a client small and scale them without rebuilding everything later, which is huge for a designer. Wix Studio gives you a much smoother path if you're working across freelance, agency, and enterprise projects all in one ecosystem. Talking about e-commerce, CMS, and built-in business tools, this is where the difference becomes really clear. So Wix Studio includes e-commerce on all paid plans and integrated CMS and native business tools. While on the other hand, if you compare it with Duda, e-commerce is an add-on costing extra per month and your CMS access is limited on lower plans. In 2026, clients want flexibility. Even if they don't need an e-commerce website today, they might need it later. With Wix, you are ready from day one. I remember we are working with a clothing brand who doesn't need an e-commerce website and we were confused. They just want a display website right now to have their name in the market, and then 6 months down the line they would require an e-commerce website. So using the Wix tool there is really helpful because the transition is really smooth. Talking about pricing, let's break it down clearly. Wix Studio starts at $19 per month, which includes e-commerce and has a free plan available forever, however you want to use it. And Duda also starts at $19 per month. E-commerce costs extra and only offers a 14-day trial for freelancers and students. I mean, guys, having a permanent free plan makes experimentation, learning, testing, trying out so much easier and convenient. and Wix offers that to you. Alright, I think I've said enough. I'm not here to say or claim that Duda is bad. It's a solid platform, especially for agencies focused on white labeling or high volume productions. But for me, and for most of you guys watching, as a designer, first freelancer or agency owner, Wix just completely makes sense for us to use. With personal experience, it gives me creative freedom. It is reliable, speed, scalability. It has a built-in SEO and marketing, enterprise level flexibility, a smoother client experience, and honestly guys, most importantly, it lets me focus on the design more than the development side of it. And when I focus on the design and Wix being there with no limitations, that's what every designer needs. Okay, so if Wix sounds like something it could work for you, check out the link in my description. You can start with a free plan, no credit card required at all. Just go crazy with it, explore it, build something, see if it clicks for you. Post a story about it, what you've built on Wix, and tag me on Instagram and tag Wix also on Instagram. We would love to see what you created. And if this video of this comparison, like this video really helped you, please drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching. Keep designing guys, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.